So this is an email I've received from Google Play Developer Support at google.com on the 30th of October 2023, and in the email they have rejected the appeal, and they've stated that the app is making misleading claims which falls under the deceptive behavior policy. So they are stating that the app does not function. So let's go to the app in question. So this is 3 grams digital scales lightweight app, and you can see it's been calibrated, and this is the screenshot that they sent to me. However, if you are using the app, you can see that the weight does change. So if you're trying to weigh something, you would get these weight readings or estimates. You see there's no CGI, there's no gimmicks or anything misleading. As the phone tilts, it converts the tilt reading into an estimate of the weight that's causing it. So as you can see, it does function. And this is the full screen weight readings. You can turn it to get 0. And as you can see, as you tilt the device, the weight estimate changes. So in order to use it, a simple method is to balance it on something. So you balance your device on something with a curve on it. You would then press tear, and then you would place the object you want to weigh on one side, which would then cause a tilt on the phone, and then you would get a weight estimate. Yeah, so you can see clearly it's working there.